Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Coin identification. Country: Great Britain. Monarch: King George II. Denomination: farthing, 1/4 penny. Year: 1729. Metal: copper. Edge: plain. Mint: Royal Mint, London. Historical background: the 1729 farthing was issued during the reign of King George II, 1727 to 1760. Farthing coins were everyday low-value coins used mainly by common people for small purchases, like bread, ale, and basic goods. During the early 18th century, copper farthings were essential for daily trade in Britain. This period marked the strengthening of Britain's economy and overseas trade. The Britannia design symbolized national power, stability, and maritime strength. Obverse description: features a right-facing portrait of King George II. The king is shown wearing a laurel wreath, symbolizing victory and authority. He is dressed in classical Roman-style armor. Georgiev's times 2 Rex, meaning George II, king. Reverse description: depicts Britannia, the female personification of Great Britain. She is seated facing left, holds an olive branch in her right hand, holds a spear in her left hand. A shield with the Union flag rests beside her. The date 1729 is clearly visible below. Legend: Britannia. Design significance: Britannia, national pride and unity. Olive branch: peace. Spear and shield: military strength and protection. Union shield: United Kingdom identity. This classic Britannia design has been used on British coins since the Roman era and continues even in modern British coinage. Physical specifications: diameter, approx. 20 to 22 millimeters. Weight, approx. 4.5 to 5.0 grams. Shape, round. Rarity and collectability: the 1729 farthing is not extremely rare, but well-preserved examples are desirable. Value depends on condition: poor or fair, low value. Fine, very fine, moderate collector value. Extremely fine or better, high collector demand. Coins with clear details, minimal wear, and original brown patina are especially sought after. Collector's note: this coin is a classic British copper issue and a favorite among British coin collectors. Early 18th century numismatists. History enthusiasts. It represents everyday life in Georgian Britain and the long-lasting legacy of the Britannia design.